The TTK Tactical TSCM Kit is a portable, deployment-ready sweep kit that includes REI products, probes, and accessories for conducting tactical sweeps. The TTK includes the Mesa Spectrum Analyzer, Orion 2.4 HX Nonlinear Junction Detector, Andre Broadband Near-Field RF Detector, and CMA 100 Countermeasures Amplifier. The Mesa is REI's latest portable handheld spectrum analyzer with a 200 GHz per second sweep speed and an operational frequency range of 10 kHz to 12 GHz. The Orion 2.4 HX is a digitally correlated nonlinear junction detector that detects hidden electronics regardless of their active or inactive status. The Andre, a broadband receiver, detects near-field transmissions from 10 kHz to 12 GHz. The Countermeasures Amplifier detects threats on wiring such as LAN systems or AC power. The TTK provides a single, compact, easily deployed sweep kit with the necessary equipment for detecting and locating illicit RF transmitters and hidden electronics. To learn more about REI's products, accessories, and the TTK, please go to reiusa.net or contact sales@reiusa.net.